to my YouTube channel Web Techniques. Friends, I'm going to show you how to download Vimeo private video. I have already uploaded the same video on our YouTube channel, but this video is something different. Actually, some comments are coming to some people's facing the issue on how to download, and some people facing the issue script not found, some people facing the issue .mp4 file not found. So here I am revising the same video. So just view, and let's check how to download again. And here is the video link, so I'm entering the same, and here is my video. Yes, it's now its video is playing.
Well, welcome everybody,
And this video is playing right now. And just Control Shift I. I'm pressing the Control Shift I, and now just click on this arrow button, this arrow icon, and then click on the video. Now here is one URL, player.vimeo.com, this URL. When you click on video, the same URL you easily find out, and just click on data fallback URL, player.vimeo.com/video/video ID, and just copy this URL and open the new tab and enter this URL, and just remove these backslashes and also remove fallback.js, and just keep this one only, player.vimeo.com/video/this ID, and enter the same. Now you can see the full video. Again, just click Control Shift I, or right click on your mouse and inspect element. Sure. Now you just click on arrow icon and then click on video. Yes, and then you can just scroll down slowly and you find the script. Yes, here is a script. This one is the script. You scroll down again. Yes, you can easily see this script, and just double click on this script and copy the same. Now I'm going to open the Notepad++, or you can open Word doc. Yes, you can paste it here. I'm just also let's see how to paste in WinWord or MS Word, and also paste here. Yes, you can paste it here. Now Control F, and you can find .mp4 file, .mp4 URL. Yes, you can easily find it out. Yes, here is the HTTPS, and this whole URL is completed here, .mp4, and just copy this whole URL. You can find according to your need, what quality you want. So here is a 1080 pixel. So I am just copying this URL. You can also find the low quality video, and 750, 720, and 320, 420, and here you can see quality 540 pixel, and here is a 720 pixel. I am just copied the URL for 1080 pixel high HD quality, high definition. Okay, now you open the browser and just paste the same URL on your browser, new window, and enter the same. Yes, here is the video.
Well, welcome everybody, and
You can see it easily. This video is
those
playing
of you
here,
have not,
and now
have not
you
been
go with the
involved in
three
the
dots.
AMA,
Now you click on three dots and download the video easily. Yes, this is the high definition video, HD quality, so its size is too large. You can also download the low quality like 540, 720, 360 as we said. So here is downloading. You can easily download and enjoy your video. That's all. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for next video and another tips and tricks. Bye bye.
give you a little bit.